6 feet. What things in life are 6 feet? A yoga mat, the average size of a white rhino, a ladder, a dog leash, Allen Iverson, and Bill Nye the Science Guy, and the aching divide between teachers, students, coworkers, friends, and loved ones as we worked our way through possibly the most challenging years of our lives, COVID. Do you remember this time? Or have you buried it? Do you remember March 12th, 2020, and the collective shock of closing schools? Of course you do. Not distant memories, too, are virtual and hybrid teaching, learning, and surviving. But here we are, in the summer of 2022, and although COVID still knocks at our door, we are stronger and wiser and ready to move forward, closer and together. North Penn students are eager and ready to learn. They need you, are counting on you. Are you ready?
My teacher gives me feedback, but doesn't judge me.
My bus driver always smiles and says hello.
My teacher helped me spell the word together, now I always get it right.
My teacher makes learning fun. We laugh a lot.
I like challenges. North Penn teachers are really good at making me push to be my very best.
Even when I don't do the best on a test, my teacher never gives up on me.
My teacher is my role model. They inspire me to continuously learn, whether in school or outside the classroom.
Some days I'm not myself. At North Penn, there's always been someone who had noticed me and asked how I was doing, and I would even do the same. Sometimes it would be with a principal, even a teacher, and often the custodians, because at North Penn, everyone matters to me because it's such an inclusive environment.
It just isn't in our North Penn blood to let students down. You have proven time and time again that you will do whatever it takes for children to learn, for our schools to thrive, and for North Penn to excel. You are North Penn. You are what makes this great school district tick. It is time to put COVID in the rearview mirror, and though we may keep an eye on it, we are focused on the road and journey ahead of us. Together, this school district, our students and staff, can elevate and exceed all expectations. So metaphorically, pile your students into the SUV and buckle them in for the great ride ahead in the 2022-2023 school year. North Penn will provide the roadmap, but you have the wheel. Enjoy the ride.